Hello, everyone, and welcome back where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here with you all. How are you today, Emily?
I'm great, Paul. Very happy for another episode. How are you?
I'm fantastic. I feel good today. I'm ready for a fun conversation.
Me too. And before we start our topic, we want to say thank you for listening.
Yes, thank you. And please, if you like our channel, remember to subscribe and click the like button. It helps us a lot.
Exactly. Share with your friends too. So, Paul, what is our topic today?
Today, we talk about our day, our daily routine, what we do every day.
Ah, that's a great topic. We use a lot of simple, important English for that. We use the simple present.
Yes, the simple present is for routines, habits, things we do every day, or sometimes, or never.
It sounds easy and useful. So, to start, Paul, are you a morning person?
A morning person. No, Emily, I am not a morning person. I like my bed.
Oh, I see. So, you wake up late.
Yes, I do. On weekends, I wake up very late. On weekdays, for work, I wake up at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock is not so late. I am a morning person. I love the morning.
Wow, really? So you wake up early?
I do. I wake up at 6 o'clock every day. Yes, even on weekends.
6 o'clock? Wow, Emily. What do you do so early?
Well, first I open the window. I love the morning air. Then I drink a big glass of water.
Water? That is very healthy. I need my coffee. The first thing I do is make coffee.
Ah, a coffee person. I like coffee too, but in the morning I prefer tea.
Tea is good. It's calm. I need energy. So I drink coffee. I always have a big cup.
I understand. After my water, I do some exercise. Just a little.
Exercise in the morning? You have so much energy.
It helps me wake up. After that, I take a shower, and then I have breakfast.
Okay, breakfast. My favorite part of the morning. What do you eat for breakfast, Emily?
I usually eat yogurt and fruit. Sometimes I have toast with jam. What about you, Paul?
I love a big breakfast. I usually have eggs and toast. And my coffee, of course.
Eggs and toast. Yummy. That's a classic breakfast.
Yes, it is. I feel ready for the day after my eggs and coffee. So what happens next in your day? You go to work?
Yes, I work from Monday to Friday. I work at a small library. I love books.
A library. That sounds so nice and quiet. I work in an office. It is not quiet.
I can imagine. I like the library because I see many people and many books. I start work at 9 o'clock.
I also start at 9. I drive my car to work. The traffic is sometimes bad.
Oh, I don't like traffic. I walk to the library. It is very close to my house.
You walk? That is wonderful. A nice morning walk.
Yes, it's only 10 minutes. I listen to music or a podcast. Sometimes I listen to Mr. English Channel.
Good choice. So we both work. We start at 9. What about lunch? I get hungry around 1 o'clock.
Me too. I usually bring my lunch from home. I eat a salad or a sandwich.
That's smart. I sometimes go to a small cafe near my office. They have good sandwiches.
It's nice to go out sometimes. Do you eat with people from your work?
Yes, I do. I usually eat with my friend David. We talk about sports and movies.
That's nice. A good break from work. I eat in a little park near the library when the weather is nice.
A park. How lovely. With the sun and the trees.
Exactly. It's very relaxing. So we work, we have lunch, then what? The afternoon.
The afternoon. For me, the afternoon at work is busy. Many emails, many phone calls.
For me, too. Many people come to the library in the afternoon. Families with children.
Oh, that sounds fun. Do you read stories to them?
Sometimes, yes. I love reading stories to the kids. They have big, happy eyes.
That is so sweet. My afternoon is just more coffee.
More coffee for Paul. And when do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock. And you?
I also finish at 5 o'clock. The library closes and I go home.
So, when you get home, what is the first thing you do?
Good question. I have a dog. His name is Max. So the first thing I do is say hello to Max. He is always so happy to see me.
Aw, Max, that's a great way to come home. I don't have a pet.
You should get a cat. You are not a morning person, and cats sleep a lot. A perfect match.
A cat. Maybe. My friend has a cat. His name is Leo. Leo is very lazy. He sleeps all day.
See? He wakes up, he eats, he sleeps. He eats again, he sleeps again. A simple life.
That is a very simple life. Leo is lucky. So, after you say hello to Max, what do you do?
I take Max for a walk in the park, the same park where I have lunch. He loves it. He runs and plays.
That's nice. Fresh air after a day of work. After I get home, I usually listen to music.
Oh, what kind of music do you listen to?
I like rock music and jazz. It helps me relax. Sometimes I play my guitar.
You play the guitar? Wow, Paul, that's so cool.
I try. I'm not a rock star, but I enjoy it. I play for about an hour.
That's a fantastic hobby. My hobby is reading. I have many books at home.
Of course. You work in a library. It makes sense.
Yes, I love to read a good book in the evening. It's quiet, and I can travel to other worlds.
I understand that. For me, music is like that. So, what about dinner? When do you have dinner?
I usually cook dinner around 7 o'clock. I like to cook. It's creative.
I am not a good cook, Emily. I cook simple things. Pasta is my specialty.
Pasta is great. You can put anything with pasta.
That is true. I often make pasta with tomato sauce. Very simple, very good.
It sounds delicious. I like to cook vegetables and chicken, or sometimes fish. And Max eats his dinner too, of course.
Of course, Max needs his dinner. So after dinner, what do you do in the evening?
I watch a movie sometimes, or a show on TV, or I read my book. I like quiet evenings.
Me too. I watch TV or a movie, or I call my family or my friends.
Oh, that's very nice. You talk to your family every day?
Not every day. I usually call my parents on Wednesday and Sunday. I talk to my sister a few times a week.
It's important to talk to family. I usually call my parents on the weekend.
Yes, it is. So, after all that, it's time for bed.
Yes, the end of the day. Because I wake up early, I go to bed early.
That makes sense. What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10 o'clock. I read in bed for a few minutes and then sleep.
10 o'clock? That is early for me. I usually go to bed around 11:30 or midnight.
See, I am a morning person and you are a night person.
A night owl. Yes, that's me. I like the quiet of the night.
So, this is our day. It's interesting how we use the simple present for everything. I wake up. You play the guitar. He sleeps all day.
Yes, the verb is simple. For I, you, we, they, the verb is the same. I walk. You walk. We walk. They walk.
But for he, she, and it, we add an S. My dog Max plays with his ball. Your friend's cat Leo eats his food.
He eats. She reads. It sleeps. Yes, that little S is very important.
It is. And for questions, we use do or does. Like I asked you, do you like coffee?
Yes, and you answered, yes, I do. Or you can say, no, I don't.
And if I ask about your friend Leo, I say, does he sleep a lot?
And the answer is, yes, he does. He definitely does.
It's not so difficult when you see it in a real conversation. It's all about routine and habits.
Exactly. And everyone has a routine. Our listeners have routines. I wonder what they do every day.
Oh, that's a great question. Do they wake up early like me?
Or do they wake up late, like me?
Do they drink tea or coffee?
Do they walk to work or drive a car?
What do they do in the evening? Do they read or play the guitar?
So many interesting routines. I think our days are very different, but also a little similar. We work, we eat, we relax.
That's true. The small things are different, and that makes life interesting. Your guitar, my dog Max.
The library, my busy office, it's all part of our daily story.
I like that. Our daily story. And the simple present helps us tell that story.
It does. It's a key to speaking English, a very important first step.
Well, Paul, I think we had a great chat about our day. It was fun to learn about your routine.
It was fun to learn about yours too, Emily. Now I know why you are always so happy in the morning.
It's the 6 o'clock air and the tea.
And the exercise. I will stick to my coffee, thank you very much.
Okay. Well, I think that's all the time we have for today.
Yes, it is. This was a lot of fun. We hope you all had fun too.
We hope you learned a little more about the simple present and how to talk about your day.
And now we want to hear from you.
Yes, please leave a comment below this video. Tell us something about your day.
You can tell us one thing. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Or, I drink tea in the morning.
Or tell us, are you a morning person or a night owl?
Yes, let us know. We love reading your comments. It's our favorite part of the week.
It really is. And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel for more easy and fun English lessons.
And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with your friends and family.
Thank you all so much for listening. We will see you in the next episode.
Bye for now. Stay happy and keep learning.
Bye, everyone.